Hello everybody, today is January 3D a small case mask machine. This machine speed is 40 to 50 pieces in 1 minute. Okay, we can see the finished sample. This mask uses the 3-layer fabric. Okay, we can open it. And this mask without nose pin. The one is very suitable face, and it have enough space to breathe. So it is very good and very good look. Okay, you can see the total 3-layer fabric, and for the first layer it can have many different picture. It is very interesting, and the bottom layer is the mask wide non-woven fabric. Okay, you can see the ear loop. Yeah, it's different. Okay, now we introduce our machine detail. For the out shape, it is the out shape is very similar for the automatic N95 mask machine, but the detail is different. Okay, we can introduce machine detail from the back to the head. This machine uses the total 3-layer. Okay, you can see 3-layer. First layer, second, and the bottom layer of non-woven fabric. And this machine uses the total 3-piece correction device. It can reduce the adjust requirement for labor. It can automatically to adjust the fabric to the right position to this well. Okay, we can check clearly. To this well, because they have a sensor. And okay, when the fabric running here, you can see the mold is different, because the 3-layer is the different wide, and you can see the mold is different. This fabric needs less edge sealing. You can see both side edge sealing, and the middle, because you can see. Okay, we can check. This two sides edge sealing. This two sides for these two sides, and the middle. This middle wall. Okay. This roller is the guide roller for fabric, and this machine ear loop welding part is used the rotator ear loop part. This part can turn round, and this welding head. Both two sides welding head. Scissor. This machine speed is 40 to 50 pieces in 1 minute. And this machine, now the mask is for small kids from 1 to 6 years old children mask. This part is the automatic folding part. Okay, when the mask running here, need the edge sealing for this valve. Just this valve. We can see clearly here. This part edge sealing here, and output. This is output part to get mask from here. like this. And this is the waste material recycling part. And this machine total used 4-piece ultrasonic. For the two-pass ear loop welding is used 20K 2000 watt ultrasonic, and for the edge sealing and the mask body folding machine use the pass use the 50K 2600 watt, like this. This is for edge sealing. Ultrasonic 50K 2600 watt. And the total two-piece is the digit ultrasonic 20K 2000 watt for the ear loop welding part. Two pieces same. And this is the mask body folding machine. 50K 2600 watt ultrasonic. And this machine total used the two-piece servo motor and the two-piece step motor. Two-piece servo motor is used the 迅捷 servo motor. 迅捷 servo motor control the machine running, and the edge sealing working like here, over here. And the two-piece step motor. Okay, we can check the electric box, two 迅捷 servo motor, and the two-step motor. This two-step motor is working for the ear loop welding part, and the 迅捷 PLC. We also have high-speed 3D mask machine like 70 piece to 80 piece in 1 minute, or 100 piece to 120 piece in 1 minute. Okay, we can check the finished sample again. Automatic 3D small keys mask machine without the nose pin and use 3-layer fabric. Thank you. Bye bye.